In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Alesis Nitro Max to computer or laptop. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to establish a connection between your Alesis drum kit and a PC or laptop. This will allow you to monitor your drum kit and access various different features, including those inside of the BFD player, which is the main way to control all of these settings related to MIDI and other aspects. So, to establish a physical connection, you will need to use this cable. This is going to be a USB-B cable to USB-A. The USB-A end will go into your computer, so this side goes into the PC or laptop, and then the other end will go into the module of your Alesis drum kit. So make sure that you grab a high quality proper cable, USB-B to USB-A, and then, like I said, you can establish the connection. So as you can see, according to this official image on their user manual, you will connect a PC through this port here. So you plug the USB-B end into the module, as you can see according to this image, and then the other end goes into your PC. You can use any of the available USB ports. It is recommended to plug it directly into your PC. So if you have any sort of USB hub or different USB ports outside of your PC, don't use those. Try to establish a direct line and a direct connection between the module and the PC. And with this done, you are basically good to go. For this video, I cannot give you full instructions on how to set up and use BFD Player. This requires a separate video, but basically now that it is connected, you can open up any sort of software to monitor your drum kit. It is going to be available here as long as the USB connection was established, and this will work for any Alesis Nitro drum model. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Alesis Nitro Max to computer or laptop. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.